darkness turns to light. It is the start of the day so bright. As the morning takes over the night, the dawn is so bright. Honorable Chief Guest Mr. Pannalal Saini, Reverend Father Principal, respected Father Vice Principal, Sister Jenna, teachers, the enthusiastic performers of today, and my dear Anselmites, greetings of this eventful day to you all. Today, I, Prachi, and I, Manya, welcome you all to the annual sports meet for the session 2024-2025. Sports is one of the most happening thrills of life. It is something that teaches a student many qualities like dedication, leadership, discipline, sportsmanship, unity, cooperation, and above all, the competitive spirit. Sports Day brings new energy to the hearts and minds of every student. It's a day marked with great joy and enthusiasm, discovering the inner talents of students in the field of sports and games. A great emphasis is laid on sports in our school, which is evidently seen in the outstanding performances by our students in almost all games and sport. So let us tighten our seatbelts and gear up to witness the performances of our budding athletes in different events that are to be held soon. Before we commence today's program, let me introduce you to our honorable chief guest, Mr. Pannalal Saini. Sir, you are the senior physical education teacher and the chairman of Rajasthan Technical Basketball Association. We welcome you, sir. Now I request Reverend Father Principal to formally welcome our chief guest by presenting a sapling. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Father.
Our school flag is a symbol of pride and unity, representing our values, spirit, and community.
It represents our school's mission, vision, and might, guiding us to excellence day and night.
The school flag is the pride of every Anselmite, as it upholds the motto and the ideas enshrined in the school's constitution.
It fills up our hearts with spirit, vigor, and joy. We now request our Honorable Chief Guest and Reverend Father Principal to come forward to hoist the school flag. March past is a spectacular display of people marching, accompanied by band display of strength, discipline, coordination, and uniformity. We shall now witness
A well-coordinated march past by the NCC cadets, scouts and guides, cubs and bulbuls, followed by the captains, vice captains, and the athletes.
March past is all about synchronization and teamwork. Marching in a contingent demands alertness and spoken coordination.
The drum beats roll, the band strikes up, and a high-pitched voice issues a command. The synchronized swing of arms and thudding feet stir something within us. Playing band is one of the oldest ways to celebrate something and one of the things people most look forward to during parade. As playing music, the crowd knows and can get involved in. It creates an environment of grace, elegance, and aesthetic sense in the performers as well as the spectators by creating a spectacle.
It is a feast to the eyes of the beholder. It also teaches the students the skill of time management, coordination, dedication, discipline, confidence, and leadership.
Now, at your side, gracious march past of Red House dressed in red that symbolizes passion, power, and strength, led by the captains Ishan and Nishtha and the vice captains Yuvraj and Akshara.
Now, Coal House is marching majestically in front, dressed in yellow that symbolizes happiness, energy, and warmth, followed by the captains Lavish and Priyanshi and the vice captains Jahan and Ritu.
Now, watching the fascinating marching of Green House clad in green that symbolizes good health, vitality, and fertility, led by the captains Madhav and Christy and the vice captains Himang and Vaishnavi.
Here at side is the Blue House in their blue color, which symbolizes wisdom, trust, and loyalty, led by the captains Earth and Khushi.
मार्च पास्ट सिर्फ कदम उठाने और प्रदर्शन से कहीं ज्यादा है। वास्तव में यह एक अनुशासन, एकता, सद्भाव और धैर्य का एक
Let the fire burn the beacon of our zeal. As we strive for excellence, our spirits reveal.
Through the torchlight, we pledge to play fair and uphold the values of sportsmanship we share.
The flame in a torch symbolizes the light of spirit, peace, friendship, tolerance, and hope.
The custom of introducing the torch into modern Olympics started in the year 1928 in the Amsterdam Games.
Since then, no sports event is complete without the torch.
Keeping up the same tradition, we shall now witness the torch bearing ceremony.
The school torch is being lit
Lit and is carried by Himanshi, a student of class 9 who is a national level player.
The torch is now handed over to Avinash, a student of class 8 who is a national level player.
He is now handing it over to Vanshika, who is a national level player.
We can see her running with the torch.
She has now handed it over to Sanidhya, who is also a national level player.
We can see all four of them running towards the cauldron to light the flame.
May this flame keep the light of sportsman spirit alive in all the participants participating in today's events. An oath encourages fidelity to the extent that continues to believe that one cannot escape ultimate accountability for a breach of truth.
We swear that we will take games in loyal competitions, respecting all regulations which govern them, in the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the honor of our school and for the glory of sports.
I declare Sports Meet 2024-25 open.
Thank you, sir.
The school flag. Symbolizing the spirit of unity and togetherness amidst the spirit of competition.
This is the hurdle runner relay race for class 3 students. And you can the spirit in them. They've already passed on the baton, crossing all the hurdles. They are running fast in order to win. And we can see the girl in grey taking the lead, followed by the girl in green. Cheer them up with your claps.
बाधाओं को पार करते हुए भागना, रुकना नहीं और जीत की ओर बढ़ना, मंजिलों को पाना।
Here we have our winners for this race. Yes. Here these cute little girls have started running, crossed the hurdles. Taking the lead is the girl in black.
संघर्ष की आंच में जो निखरता है, जो गिरकर भी उठ जाता है, वही सच्चा खिलाड़ी कहलाता है।
Yes,
इसलिए
they have
गिरने से
passed on the
घबराएं नहीं।
batons.
गिरना जीवन का हिस्सा है।
ये खूबसूरत दृश्य, बच्चों की ताकत, उत्साह, बढ़ते हुए कदम, एक एक बाधा पार करते हुए हर हाउस का बच्चा रंग लाल, पीला, नीला, हरा, जिंदगी का रंग, ताकत का रंग, जोश का रंग, उत्साह का रंग। गिरने दो बाधाओं को, गिरने दो हमें, मंजिलों को छूना ही हमारा बच्चियां, देश का भविष्य। रुकने का नाम नहीं, बढ़ते गए, चलते गए, फिर भागे, रुके नहीं। और मंजिल करीब, बस छू लेंगे आकाश हम, और कुछ नहीं छू लिया, कुछ जिंदगी में इसको छू लेंगे।
Junior girls, kindly cheer them up. Audience, please cheer them up. Going to
कीप क्लैपिंग बच्चों, ऑडियंस में जितने बच्चे बैठे हैं टीचर्स हमारे प्लीज कीप क्लैपिंग दैम। बिल्कुल
The 100-meter race for the sub-junior boys has begun. And before we come to know, they are running towards the finishing line. And almost there, we have our winners. This is 100-meter race for the junior girls. Running fast towards the finishing line. The green in the lead, followed by the girl in green, and here we have the winners. This is 100-meter race for junior boys. The race almost finished before I could speak anything.
And they are moving towards their goal, faster and faster, reaching to destination. And few moments, and this is the victory and winning positions by the different children of the different houses.
Running towards their goal, running as fast as they can.
And here they reach the finishing line. On them, you can see them hopping in their sacks. I'm sure they had a lot of practice for that. They seem to be cute little bunnies and they've reached the finishing line so fast. You can see them hopping and passing the ring to their body, again doing the same, trying their level best to do it as fast as they can. And in this, they look like a frog doing the same. And this cute little frog has already taken the lead, quite ahead of his companions. I'm sure they have practiced this frog hopping many a time in order to reach the finishing line. And this cute little frog has already reached the finishing line. The others are still trying hard. And here we have the winners of this cute race.
इतना जरूरी है चाल कैसी भी हो बच्चे जीत गए फ्रॉग रेस हो या हिम्मत
You can see the 3 balls and a ring, and the participant has to place the 3rd ball first into the ring, then come back, place the 2nd ball into the ring, again come back and place the 1st ball in. This is how they are going to win this competition, and they are doing it so nicely and quickly. Ball and jump ring, because they themselves have to roll back again and again, keep the ball and reach the finishing line. And here we have the winners.
कैसे इस गोल
Wow, what an amazing race. One has to hold the ring, the other has to pass inside. So it's a teamwork. The partner has to place the ring fast. The person accompanying has to jump through it and finally reach the finishing line.
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथ मिलकर कैसे मंजिल को प्राप्त करते हैं ये प्रदर्शन देख रहे हैं हम
This is how they are being taught teamwork, and here we have the winners for this race.
So we have got the winners.
We'll listen to the chief guest. गुड मॉर्निंग। एमएससी में इंटेलिजेंट के साथ साथ खेल में भी बहुत कुछ होते हैं, लेकिन हम लोग उनको पकड़ नहीं पाते। कुछ बच्चे बास्केटबॉल खेल रहे हैं, लेकिन वो लड़का एथलेटिक्स का है, एथलेटिक्स में बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दे सकता है, लेकिन हम उसके टैलेंट को समझ नहीं पाते हैं। ईश्वर के द्वारा प्रत्येक व्यक्ति में, प्रत्येक बच्चे में एक गॉड गिफ्ट दी हुई होती है। हर व्यक्ति की अलग अलग नेचर होती है, हर व्यक्ति का अलग अलग व्यवहार होता है, लेकिन ईश्वर एक गॉड गिफ्ट भी देता है। लेकिन वो हम पहचान पर नहीं पाते कि ये बच्चा कलाकार बनना चाहता है, ये बच्चा हीरो बनना चाहता है, ये प्रशासनिक रूप के नेतृत्व करेगा। लेकिन कुछ हम पीछा कर लेते हैं कि वो पढ़ाई कर रहा है तो हमको भी इसको मैथ ही दिलानी है। अरे वो कॉमर्स पढ़ना चाहता है, लेकिन हम लोग पेरेंट्स उसको साइंस दिलाकर डॉक्टर बनाने की इच्छा रखते हैं, जबकि वो आईएएस बनना चाहता है। तो ये सारी चीज़ें एक टीचर ही है जो एक बच्चे को तराशता है और एक मुकाम पर पहुंचाता है। तो मैं यहाँ पर जितना भी स्टाफ है, साधुवाद नमन कि आप इन छोटे छोटे बच्चों को तराश रहे हैं। लेकिन खेल के माध्यम से आज विद्यालय में, आज एंसलम का नाम, बास्केटबॉल का अगर नाम कहीं आता है तो एंसलम का नाम पहले आता है। उसका रीज़न है कि यहाँ जब से संजय सर बास्केटबॉल देख रहे हैं, तब से बास्केटबॉल चल रही है और आगे से आगे रिजल्ट भी आ रहा है, बच्चे भविष्य भी बना रहे हैं। अभी आपका बच्चा एक सानिध्य अभी नेशनल रिप्रेजेंट करके आया है। तो ये सब कुछ जो है खेल के माध्यम से हम अपनी पहचान भी बना सकते हैं, विद्यालय की पहचान भी बना सकते हैं। डिस्ट्रिक्ट, स्टेट, नेशनल, इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर भी हम बच्चों को आगे भेज सकते हैं। लेकिन मोटिवेशन आप स्टाफ, ये टीचर है। तो मेरा इस स्पोर्ट्स मीट में आग्रह है कि आप खेल के साथ साथ, और फादर से भी आग्रह है कि खेल के साथ, पढ़ाई के साथ साथ आप खेल में भी और थोड़ा सा डेवलप करें। मेरी अभी फादर से बात भी हुई थी कि इतना अच्छा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है यहाँ का। अभी ट्रैक के बारे में भी हम बात कर रहे थे कि लेकिन यहाँ जगह एक्चुअल में कम है। बच्चे मैंने देखा, छोटे छोटे बच्चे इतना अच्छा दौड़ रहे हैं, इतनी सारी चीज़ें कर रहे हैं। तो ये सब आप लोग, जो बच्चों की जो दुआएं होती हैं वो बहुत काम आती है। मैंने जीवन में खेल में बहुत कुछ किया। आज बहुत सारे बच्चे मेरे गवर्नमेंट में, राज्य की सेवाओं में लगे हुए हैं। तो आप उनसे आशा नहीं करें, लेकिन उनको अच्छा मार्गदर्शन बने, मार्गदर्शक करें उनको आगे बढ़ने के लिए। और किसी भी तरह की आप लोगों को हमारी रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारी ज़रूरत पड़े कहीं भी खेल के क्षेत्र में, तो फादर और सभी से मेरा आग्रह है कि कभी भी आप याद कीजिए, ज़रूर आऊँगा। और ज़्यादा मुझे पता है कि खिलाड़ी लोग अब इस समय खेल के माहौल में हैं, खेल का माहौल बन चुका है। तो पुनः सभी स्टाफ, फादर और विशेषकर संजय सर, जो यहाँ मैं देख रहा हूँ कि पूरा कार्यक्रम इन्हीं के माध्यम से ये चल रहा है, को धन्यवाद कि आपने मुझे बुलाया। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
शुक्रिया सर, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपके शब्द बहुत महत्वपूर्ण हैं। हम आपको विश्वास दिलाते हैं, बास्केटबॉल में तो हम लीड कर ही रहे हैं, लेकिन प्रिंसिपल सर के निर्देश के अनुसार हमने अभी क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, जिम्नास्टिक, शूटिंग, इन सभी चीज़ों को हम लॉन्च करते जा रहे हैं और हमारी टीमें जा रही हैं, हम मेडल्स ला रहे हैं। बास्केटबॉल के साथ साथ जितने भी खेल हमारे हैं उनमें हम पूरी कोशिश से लगे हुए हैं और हम विश्वास दिलाते हैं अगले कार्यक्रम में जब आप आएंगे उन खेलों के भी प्रदर्शन से हम आपको रूबरू कराएंगे। शुक्रिया सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
We shall now have the felicitation ceremony for the events held on 6th of February, the day before yesterday. Certain events took place and we have the winners of those races. May I now request our Honorable Chief Guest and Reverend Father Principal to felicitate the winners of those events. First we have Next we have the winners of senior girls 800 meter race. 800 meter race for senior girls. The first position has been bagged by Kashish of Blue House. The second position by Rishika of Gold House. And the third position has been bagged by Sanjana of Blue House. Next we have the winners of 800 meter race junior boys, and the winners are Harshit has bagged the first position from Green House, Chirag Yadav has bagged the second position from Blue House, Yash from Green House has bagged the third position. Next we have the 800 meter race for junior girls, and the winners are Radhika has bagged the first position from Blue House, Devanshi of Gold House has bagged the second position, and Shweta of Gold House has bagged the third position. Next we have the winners of 400 meter race senior boys, and the winners are Rishabh has bagged the first position from Green House, Yuvraj from Red House has bagged the second position, and Utkarsh from Green House has bagged the third position. Next we have the 400-meter race, senior girls, and the winners are Kritika has bagged the first position from Green House, Nidhi has bagged the second position from Red House, and Himanshi has bagged the third position from Gold House. Long jump, sub-junior boys. Long jump, sub-junior boys. First position by Vedansh of Blue House. Second position has been bagged by Mayank of Red House. And third position has been bagged by Kunal of Blue House. Next we shall have the felicitation for the sub-junior girls long jump. The first position has been bagged by Anushka of Red House. Second position has been bagged by Niharika of Blue House. And the third position has been bagged by Anishka of Red House. Next we have the winners of long jump junior boys. Long jump junior boys. First position has been bagged by Jishan of Green House. Second position has been bagged by Nitin of Gold House. And third position has been bagged by Akhilesh of Blue House.
Now we have the results of long jump in girls category junior. First position has been bagged by Palak of Red House. Second position Zara from Blue House, and then we have Sonakshi, third position Blue House. Now we have the results of long jump senior boys.
Next we have the long jump for senior boys, and the winners are Rahul has bagged the first position from Red House, Utkarsh has bagged the second position from Green House, and Rishabh has bagged the third position from Green House.
Now we have the result of long jump senior girls. First position is bagged by Kashish, Blue House. Second position has been secured by Janvi, Green House. And the third position has been bagged by Vaishnavi, Red House. Thank you, sir. Thank you, father.
How wonderfully they are passing through the rain.
Keep clapping, dear children. Audience.
Wonderfully, they know how to pass through these neon rings to reach the finishing line, and here we have our winners. This is a request to all the participants.
जोरदार तालियां बजाते रहे ऑडियंस। देखिए छोटे छोटे बच्चे कैसे भागते हैं अपनी मंजिल की ओर। बॉल, रिंग, बाधाएं पूरी ताकत के साथ। कम ऑन, देखिए गिरे, चले, भागे, फिर गिरे, फिर भागे और पहुंच गए अपने मंजिल की ओर।
So we can see the participants running through the tunnels. They're now picking the ball, balancing themselves on the planks and passing the ball to their partner. The girl in red has already taken the lead, placed the ball. She's now passing through the tunnel. Others neck-to-neck competition between the girl in blue, pink and dark. And here we have the winners of this race.
बच्चों तालियां बजाओ जोर से। छोटे छोटे बच्चे देखो कितनी मेहनत करते हैं। Moving towards the goal. The batter and different guys in there. Passing the hurdles of different types. Moving ahead with the full power, speed. गिरना तो हिस्सा है खेल के मैदान और रिजल्ट्स आ गए।
They've started the race, passing through the tunnels very fast. The girl in pink and blue taking the lead. She has picked the ball, balancing herself on the plank, passed it on to her partner, who's now moving back, balance, keeping the ball again, passing through different tunnels, one by one, followed by the girl in pink and grey. And here we have our winners.
जलाने वाले जलाते ही है चिराग आखिर, ये क्या कहा कि हवा तेज है जमाने की। All of you put your hands together.
And here are the participants of this race, running fast to reach the finish line, but the line is not so close. And the girl in white taking the lead, followed by the girl in red. And the game can change any time. The girl in white still taking the lead, quickly followed by the girl in blue. And she has taken up the lead in neck-to-neck competition with the girl in white. It's not yet over, friends. And we can see the game changing. The girl in blue taking the lead. The girl in white. Come on, you can do it. Followed by the girl. Yes, there is a neck-to-neck competition between three girls for the second position. And here we have our winners.
भागते हुए बच्चे पूरी ताकत के साथ 400 मीटर्स रेस में moving ahead towards the goal. And we can see the competition neck to neck. Sometimes behind, sometimes ahead. चलो ऑडियंस लीड करावे। So big distance, long distance. Big distance,
Last 100 meters remaining, and the game can change any time. This race requires consistency rather than a lot of energy. And here we have our winners.
अपने रही है। बच्चों की जीत और संघर्ष में रिश्ता है, संघर्ष करते हुए, दौड़ते हुए।
And here we have the winners. Here we can see the winners of 400-meter race junior girls. Clap loudly for these girls.
For 400 meters race junior boys, I call Sunil Bika sir, Lalit sir and Parul madam. Please reach to the victory stand. Sunil Bika sir, Lalit sir and Parul madam.
Next we shall have the 4x100-meter relay for junior girls, followed by 4x100-meter relay for junior boys.
Sunil Bika sir, Lalit sir and Parul madam, please reach to the victory stand.
The participants of the relay races are requested to be ready.
And here are the results of 400 meters race junior boys. Third position has been bagged by Ravish, Green House. Second position Sanidhya, Gold House. And first position Utkarsh, Blue House.
Are you all ready to witness the relay races? Cheer your hearts.
Gold house this side. First gold, then red, blue, and then green. Two to track for each house. On your mark.
Passing the baton to their partners. And followed by Gold House and Red House. And here they have passed the baton to their partner. Again, Green House taking the lead. No, Gold House is missing a competition. Gold House is taking the lead. Clap loudly for your to cheer your house. Yes, your Gold House has taken the lead. And we have the winners. Here we can see the participant of Gold House taking the lead, followed by Green House, and Gold House, and Blue House. And here Gold House has taken the lead, followed by Blue, Green, and Red. You can never be sure of this race. The participant of Gold House is making it competition with Blue, Green, and the final round, participants of Blue and Gold in excellent competition. Participants of Blue taking the lead, but Gold has taken up the lead now.
Set, go.
This is the relay race for the senior girls, and we can see Blue House and Green House taking the lead. And here the game has changed. Blue House participant taking the lead, followed by Gold House, but the race is remains behind.
Respected Father Bhupinder, dear sisters, the teachers, and my dear students. Good morning to all of you once again. And as we conclude the annual Sports Day, I want to congratulate each one of you, the participants, the teachers, the non-participants, everyone, because even the non-participants contributed because they have clapped and encouraged each one of you, the participants. And on this occasion, I take this opportunity to thank and congratulate the PTIs, especially Sanjay sir and the team, Poonam ma'am, Rishi sir, Pratik sir, Dipesh sir. Especially they are the ones who have worked hard along with the other, maybe the class teachers and those who have helped them, the volunteers. You have made this day wonderful, giving each one a chance to showcase their talent, very especially in the field and athletic events. So it has been a successful one, and therefore I congratulate the team, very especially the PTIs today. Let us put our hands together, give them a big clap, Sanjay sir and team. And also the anchoring team under the banner of our school, Metu ma'am, Arun sir, Ashok sir and Bharati ma'am. They have been on their toes from the beginning till the end, announcing and looking after the announcements and the anchoring part of it. And also the NCC and band team, everybody who have contributed to the success of this day, always taking care of the medals and record keeping, everybody. I'm not taking everyone's name, but you have contributed for this day. And as we know, if you have a very healthy body, healthy physique and mind, your studies also goes properly. And therefore we take pain in giving you all the opportunity to develop the overall development for each one of you, dear students. And therefore it is a collective effort of the staff over here. And therefore, I want all the students, the participants and the non-participants, clap loudly for the staff and the team. And today's event became colorful because of the participation of each one of you sitting in front of me, all the participants. So you have done well, whether you have won the medal or the prize, that is not important. But you have taken part and you have given an enhancement to your personality and your being. And therefore, let us once again clap for one another and congratulate each other, the participants. So here I wind up thanking every one of you for your part, the part that you have played for the success of this day. Thank you everyone who have contributed to this day. Have a nice day. God bless all of you. According to the point tally, we have the greenhouse with 80 points, standing third position. So give them a good round of applause. And with 86 points, we have the whole house standing second. Any guess for the first position? Okay, we have the red house with 96 points standing first. For the championship trophy, I call upon the house in charges of the red house and the captains and the vice captains and maybe a few other teachers to come forward and receive the trophy. Red house standing first.
Red House, in charges, captains, vice captains and teachers, kindly come forward to receive the winner's trophy. I request Reverend Father Principal
kindly come forward to receive. Captains and vice captains, please join fast. It's each one of your efforts. Congratulations to the winners. Now invite the runners-up, Gold House, teacher in charges, teachers, captains, vice captains to come forward to receive the runners-up. Gold House, the runners-up of today's event. Can we have huge round of applause for them? Congratulations to the winners and runners-up. It's a ceremonial occasion. Now the flag is being folded by the captains of all 4 houses. With due respect to the school flag, the flag is